Hello from Makers Muse. We have created this video to help you with project submission for NLCC 2.0. In the top left corner, you will see a file option. By clicking on this file option, a drop-down will appear. Simply click on Save to your computer from the drop-down menu. Save to your computer will download a file to your computer, which can be found in your Downloads folder. Please remember to rename this file with your name followed by an underscore and your grade. Next, visit the official Makers Muse website at www.makersmuse.in and click on NLCC registration button. On this page, you will find the NLCC 2.0 project submission button. Clicking on this button will open a Google form. Simply fill out the form as shown in the video and upload the file that you have previously saved with your name and grade using the same format. Once you have completed the form, click on Submit button and voila, your project is now submitted. Best of luck, students, with your projects.